Okay, so I found I found an applet that does the one sample Z tests. And there's only one trick with it is, and then let's walk, since this is one of the ones you've got the answers for, well, I don't mind doing this one. That way I can use this in future semesters when people are trying to get credit for posting an unstarred exercise. So this is about math SATs, and they said last year the mean was 515. They didn't report the standard deviation. They're setting us up for a Z test. So what we do in part A is we say we assume the population standard deviation for this test is 100. So that tells me this is a one sample Z test. So, and we want to test the claim that the mean score for these prep course students is above 515. So the claim the claim is H1, right? That's the claim. And the null hypothesis says, no, it's not more than 515. It's the same that basically the prep course didn't do much for them as far as improving their grade or score. And we got a sample size of 76, and that's our sample mean. And I've got that population standard deviation. Now, this applet that I found here, let me come find that. I linked to this right here in that online statistical tools. I'm still in editing mode, but see right there where I say we got to square the standard deviation. That's the link to this applet, not in Silco, but to this one here. And what we got to do to make this applet work, just see the way they say population variance. So I tried to refresh and it didn't work. So what I'm going to do is just overwrite these numbers. Okay. So the population mean, that's HO, is 515. And then the population variance, they told us to pretend that the standard deviation is 100. So we're going to square that. And 100 times 100 is a 1 with 4 zeros after it. And I got 5 zeros there. I get 3 zeros now. I can't count. And then the sample mean was the 534. And then my sample size was 76. And that was kind of nice about this applet is you can specify the significance level. This is a one-tail test. Okay, we're going to calculate our z-score. One-tail versus two-tail. Remember, two-tail test, you just double the tail area to get the p-value. So here's my test statistic. There is my p-value, and and they're telling you, yeah, that's less than 5%. So this is significant. So what that means is we're going to reject HO. Looks like the data supports the claim that the test prep course does work in increasing student averages, student scores in the test. So this is actually a pretty nice applet. I'm glad I went and looked for it. The only thing I wish it didn't do is didn't make you find the variance. So if you're going to use this and not do this by hand, remember to square the standard deviation, multiply it by itself, right? So I'll stop this and get this uploaded for you.